outskirts of Baton Rouge. With a bottleneck slide and a juke joint liquor, he taught me how to play the blues. He grew a little corn and sugar cane, and he put it in the whiskey still. And everybody knows when you go down south that the blues don't pay the bills. They say, how you gonna pay them bills? Swamp water whiskey, fill the bottles up on a hickory stump. Swamp water whiskey, load them on up in the back of the trunk. Swamp water whiskey, well, come on son and make a midnight run. Slide on in and take a ride with me, 'cause you can't learn the blues without the swamp water whiskey. Saw the blue lights flashing in the rearview mirror, and we pulled right off the road. Well, then old man Charlie just gave him a jar, and those men in blue done let us go. And we took off